Hello everyone, I just installed Cursor. It's a tool which helps you to write the code with AI. It's fork of VS Code. Of course, I want to try to see if it can write Tetris for me in C++. Let's see what it can do. Did some tutorials, little bit, not too much. I do not know how to use VS Code as neither. We are going to try to learn from beginning to the end. I created Cursor Tetris directory. I think I can say new text file and probably press Ctrl S to save this file. No. I set up Emacs hotkeys. I think it should be Ctrl XS in this case. Oh yeah. So let's call it main.cpp. Let's press save. I think I should press Ctrl K maybe. Yeah, new code instructions. Write Tetris in C++ using SDL2 and OpenGL in immediate mode. Let me run it through.
Write Tetris in C++ using SDL2 and OpenGL in immediate mode.
Press enter, and it's writing. Okay, looks like it's done. Control Enter to accept. I not used to do save because in Emacs save happens automatically. And how I compile this thing now? Run build and debug active file. Build and debug. Okay, I guess I'll do it this way. Show errors. Oh, here we go. Terminal. Undefined reference. Okay, so it was able to compile but was not able to link. What can I do? Add configuration. And to learn about possible attribution, however, and with the machine. Launch JSON. Let's try to make it to link with SDL2 and OpenGL. Okay. I do not know if it's gonna work. Linux, GDB, configuration launch, GDB, Tetris. Let's try to run now. Could not find the task build. Configure task. Okay. Add build task. Oh, nice. Look at this. It did the thing. Accept. So now I can run. Oh, it's running. Debug console. There is a it's frozen. Not sure why it's frozen. Terminate app. Let's see what's wrong with the code. Val quit. Keys. Should work. Maybe it's stuck here. Pull event. Bot SDL pull event returns. If there is no pending events, it returns 0. Draw grid, draw tetramina. The chat generate, okay. Add log lines. No, why cannot scroll? Current piece, shape, grid state. Okay, that looks good. Let's try to run again. So it is looping, but then I pressing cross. It stopped responding. So there is a terminal. How I can use it? It's just normal terminal. I can just do GDB Tetris. Run. So then I press cross. Nothing happening. Ctrl C. Wait longer. Clean lines. Grid Y. Yeah, I do not know how to use debugger here. Cannot do debugger in C++. Terminate application. So it's running, it's dumping bunch of... Wait a second, that's not right? It's just printing a lot of X's. Huh. Greet state. Okay, let's remove greet state, I guess. Do you want to start another instance? Yes. This looks like it's stuck. Oh, look at this. I can use debugger. Nice. Let's close this guy. Okay, new instance of debugger. So I can pause it. Oh, can go on the stack. And can I check for variables? I don't know. Anyways, step over. So it's stuck here. How I can check for variables? Tell me. Oh, debug console. P Y to create variable object. Locals. Next. Continue to create variable object. How I can use debugger? Line GDB, run toggle breakpoint, new breakpoint, install additional, open configuration, start debugger. Debug console, yeah. How I can use this thing? Execute, help, question mark, line GDB. Yeah, GDB is running, but it's not useful. Var create, unable to create variable object. I have no idea what does it mean. What does this error mean in GDB?
The error message var create, unable to create variable object in GDB, new debugger, typically occurs when you are trying to create a variable object in GDB's machine interface, mode, but GDB is unable to do so for some reason. This error can happen for several reasons. The variable is out of scope. The program might not be at a point where the variable is accessible. The variable doesn't exist. You might be trying to create a variable object for a variable that doesn't exist in the current context. The program is not running. GDB needs the program to be running and stopped at a breakpoint to create variable objects.
Evaluate in debug console. 7. A. Okay. Step over, step into. Evaluate in debug console. 5. Okay, so it's doing thing. 1. Okay, it's actually exited. So Y 20. And it's stuck here. Ooh. Looks like this is the bug. Let's ask chat. Control L. Is this a bug? Check the same line again. Oh, there is a break condition. Looks like the clear lines stuck in the... Oh, I think I know why it's stuck in. Greet is not greed. Probably greed is not populated. Control S. Greed. Where is the declaration of green? Here we go. It's a color. So it checks for alpha. And it's, yeah, it's fully transparent to 55. I do not know why it's stuck in the loop. Let's run it again. Error exit after running. Pre-launch. Show errors. What? What the heck? Terminal. Undefined ref. What? Ah, okay. Debug console. Call stack. Wait. Oh, look at this. We've got all these nice things. So I can put on the pause. Get up. Oh, nice. We have local variables and we can. Oh, that's good. Let's get up and y is 19, yy is 3. It says line is full. Can I check the value of the green? Evaluate in debug console green plus green. Show me everything. Yeah, it should be empty. So it should set line full to false immediately. And it does not. 22. It should check, should be not equal 0. Okay, we debug the thing. It should be not. Alright. Okay. So let's fix it. Stop. Restart. Grid dot a is collision. Grid dot a clear lines, line full. We checked this thing. There is a 2 bugs, of course. Hey, rotation doesn't work well. Rotate piece. Can you double check that cone? Okay, let's accept it. Nope. So let's see where it's printing shape. Current piece shape. Okay, so maybe let's run it again. Okay, this is the right shape. So it's a vector of tetraminus. So this is the, and tetramino is vector x, y, and color. So this is vector of vectors. So this is a vector and it's only one piece. So probably should make it to guarantee it to be 4 by 4. All tetraminos are 4 by 4. Apply. Okay. Hey, look at this. It's working. Oh. Collision is not working. So let's see why collision is not working. So let's search for collision. Is collision. If tetramino shape yx doro tetramino is collision grid x or grid y. What This doesn't look right. Add to chat, edit. Does not look right. It should be all worse. Yeah, that's more correct. Equals 0. No. Grid x less than grid x greater, grid y greater, grid y less, or equals 0. I guess, yeah, I guess that's fine as well. We can do it this way, so it's more symmetrical. Okay, it's falling down. It does not. Nope. Still doesn't do things. Okay, let's see. So it's not about collision, maybe. Let's see if collision is collision. Right, left. So it's preventing down, right? Piece. On the ticks it will go down as well. Place tetramino. Grid color. Let's put white color for now. Control K. Let's put white color for debugging purposes.
Let's put white color for debugging purposes.
Okay. Okay, it's becoming white. And collision still doesn't work. So it's a collision. Is collision. Does do collisions here. That should work. $255 is empty. $255 is empty. So if it's 0, okay, 255 not equal to 55. Find for history. Up and down for history doesn't do anything. Show me the history. There is no history. Grid.a. Search is, I don't know how to use the search. Like I can copy paste, I guess. 255. Oh, I see. I know what's going on. Place tetramino. Here we go. This is the culprit. Why everything is ran? Yeah. Oh, look at this. This code, this part of code is working. My conclusion is it's really nice. It's in the editor. The problem is I'm not very familiar with the editors, not very fluent in the editor. There is another thing. It's not better than ChatGPT 01 preview, but it does work. It's made the Tetris. It took 40 minutes fighting with the language model and the editor. I don't think I would use, I use Emacs for maybe 20 years, maybe more. It's really hard for me. I'm so proficient in Emacs after this. It's gonna take another 20 years to get proficiency in this text editor, I guess. Even it's like a very good, maybe 10 years. I don't have this amount of time, I guess. On our side, it's just text editor, so maybe it's not big deal. So it would be nice to integrate all this whistle and bells and Emacs, I guess. But yeah, that's cool. It's kind of working. Thank you for watching and hopefully see you next time. Bye.